Let's get a feel for how the basic drawing tools work within Sandy. You'll find them in a few places. Here at the bottom of the Geppetto window, in the main toolbar. You can also use the shortcuts on your number pad. So if I hit the number pad 1, it's going to automatically go to my draw tool. And on the Sandy canvas, let's draw a few lines. Let's get a feel for how the nudge tool affects these lines. So you can hit the number pad 2, or I'm going to select the nudge tool here. So it will impact whichever line it's closest to. And you can also select different points on the line, and it affects it differently. Once you get a feel for the nudge tool, let's try using the move tool. I'm just going to hit the number pad shortcut 5. See how my cursor changes to move, and we can move each of these lines individually. But let's say I wanted to move these two as a group. I'd need to select them first, so let's go into our select tool. For select pen strokes, just make sure pen strokes is selected here. You go back onto your Sandy canvas, and you're going to select these two lines, and you'll notice they start flashing. That lets you know they've been selected. Now we're going to go back to our move tool. And you can move both of these lines around the canvas. Now to clear selection, you can go Edit, Clear Selection, or you can just press F10. I want to show you a quick trick for selecting an individual line and then changing the color of a line after you've drawn it. So I'm going to select this line here. Now I'm going to go into my interface and I'm going to open up the color tree. Double click on a default color palette. If you don't notice this is visible, go to View and make sure Color Tree is checked off. And I'm going to select a new color I want to change this to. I like this kind of purple color. And then I'm going to find the change color icon and I'm going to click on it. And I'll see how those changes are reflected on my canvas. So this was just a quick overview of the basic draw, move, nudge, and select tools. And I quickly showed you how to change a color.